Perfect, perfect. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. About to begin. I'm just listening to some music right now. Oh, we're gonna begin now. I mean, 7:57. Ugh. Okay. Okay. So, what we want to do is So I guess my plan is to make the bot be able to work on its own, but it's uploaded into a server because I don't want it to be uploaded onto my computer, and it relies on my computer. I'd rather be it on a server. So I guess what we could do is we're gonna have to find a way. So we're gonna use this website because usually I host my stuff here. So I might as well host it here. I just gotta make sure that my GitHub is in. Okay, so this is good. So I guess we're gonna have to upload it into this. So we're gonna have to make a new project, but I gotta make sure that this was a repository. So let's try to put it into production. So let's go to our app. So we're gonna put something like So I don't think there's gonna be much coding in here. It's more like putting it into production so other people can access it. So we'll do cd job finder stream. No, cd dot dot cd job finder stream. We're gonna do a few things. We're gonna put touch requirements.text, and for this requirement.text, we want like so code dot. So we're gonna need a few libraries for this. So for this requirements.text, in the requirements.text, we're gonna have to put a few libraries that we use. So we gotta check what libraries we use. So all right, so we did use Beautiful Soup. We use request, but I'll put it just in case. Python.env, and okay, Discord, and then async.io. We didn't have it in another folder, so we don't need an init.py. So I think we're good on that. I'm gonna combine this video just in case you're lost with the video yesterday. On Wednesday. So let's just make sure this is in a repository, but let me make sure. So for the requirements.text, we're gonna need a few libraries. So we're gonna use python3.env. What was it that? Wait. .env library. And this will be python.env. So it would be pip install.python.env. So it'll be python.env. And then we will install libraries like bs4. So pip3 install, I think it's bs4. Okay, yeah, it's bs4. So bs4. We need that Beautiful Soups. We need requests. We need Discord. Discord.py. What else? For the libraries, we're good with that. We have our load env. I think we're good on that. I don't think we need any more libraries. Yeah, we don't need any more libraries. These are the 4 libraries we need for this project. So now we're gonna upload our Discord bot. But the only thing I'm worried about is the env file, because I don't want the env file getting uploaded. So we're gonna have to make a .getignore. Because I don't want anyone hacking our thing. And we would put like something like .env, so that won't be touched.
I'm here, by the way.
Well, yeah, I saw you. You're in my other screen.
Yep.
Let me get my the YouTube stream as well, so just in case if anyone messages on that. You can talk, by the way. I don't mind.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's better.
My brain's ready to absorb whatever.
So
Whatever
basically, we're putting this into production. So we're gonna have this play automatically, rather than hosting it on my own computer. So we're gonna host it onto a server.
You recommend any good servers out there?
So we're gonna be using Railway. We're gonna be using Railway for this. It's a new one I'm using, so I'm still new to Railway, but we'll still use it because it's the cheap alternative. That's why.
Sounds good. The only servers I've heard about is hosting domain names such as
Netlify. There's another one, Versal. There's many. But for this one, we're gonna be hosting this on. What's that thing called? On Railway. Right now, we just want to post this on GitHub, but I don't want this file going into GitHub because if this file, what happens if you upload this file, you'll get a leak, and that's bad. So that would be very dangerous.
I'm assuming because people would be able to put anything in there, I guess.
So basically, that's your token. Those are your like your passwords, your token, all the secrets to access the bot.
Right. I see.
You don't want people accessing the bot. That's why, and it would be just very dangerous. So we got this. The thing is, we don't want to, cause I wonder if what we could do is put an environment variable and then put the token there rather than let's. I saw this in a web page, so this will be like something like environment. Oh no no. So Discord on Railway. Oh wait, no, no, no. That's their that's their actual Discord thing. Discord Python bot. Oh, they have it there. So, oh, I never knew that. Oh, okay. So this will be the token. So I'm just gonna I'm not gonna share the token because I don't want that to get hacked.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So just give me a bit. So you have to put your token in there. That is true. You have to put your token in there. It's nothing, but it'll be like Discord bot, and we'll put the token. So the token is. Cause yeah, that is pretty straightforward. That you just put your token in there.
So so that's pretty cool. They have it integrated with Discord,
Yeah,
just
so
for
that's another good thing about them.
specifically for bots and stuff like that. Right.
Repeat that.
Specifically for bots.
Yeah, specifically for Discord bots. Um,
Cool.
so I have it right here right now. But the thing is, it's probably with its own code. So it's probably made its own GitHub repository on my GitHub repo. So it made its own repository, definitely.
So you have to work around what they have already.
Yeah, so I have to work with
I
what they
see.
have right now. So the source repo is okay. So I would have to inject my code into that. So we would have to go to github.com and I would have to see where they uploaded it. So it's Discord bot. I mean, I could do this, and it says it right here. So they uploaded it for me. They did everything for me. Um, I just have to inject my code in here. I just gotta make sure that that there's nothing. They didn't post my thing. Oh shit. So okay, let me show it here. Let me do it again. I didn't show it. So do apologize for that. So you just go to your GitHub, and they put it as a Discord bot. So a Discord bot. So that's what
Are
I
you?
named it.
Yeah.
Uh, I
Are
just
you
have.
showing something on your screen right now?
Yeah, I'm showing something on my screen. Why you can't see it?
No, it's just your background.
Are
There
you
you go.
looking at my stream or are you looking at? Oh wait.
I'm looking at your YouTube live stream.
Yeah, don't look at my YouTube. I should share that. Because the thing is, there's a 3 second delay.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well,
I think even a little longer. There's a delay, so
okay. That I got your screen now.
yeah. So basically, they install something called Discord bot. They put it into my server. I didn't do this. They did it, and now I just have to edit this. So basically, I would just put the code in here. I wonder. I wonder if they made the thing work. So logged in as bot.user. So one moment. Oh, I see. So they said logged in as user. Def ping. So if you say ping, um, it'll say pong.
Hmm.
So I'm gonna have to change this code because this code does, for me, it doesn't make much sense. But it's not even online. The bot's not even online. Wonder why. Oh, the bot crashed.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. I mean, that's normal.
Once it crashes in the server, do you have to like manually start it up
Yeah, which
again?
that's not a good thing. That's actually a bad thing if you have to manually start it up.
Uh
Because you want that to automatically do that. But this bot really does nothing. So this bot does nothing. That's the issue.
that's the one that comes with the Discord, or is that the one that you created yesterday? Or I mean
The
two
one
days
I
ago.
created yesterday, I'm going to inject that. So we haven't started that yet.
So this one does nothing.
Yeah, this does nothing. So I don't think this will go online. It didn't go online, but I gotta do something. Um, one moment. Let me see if I put the variables right. Okay, all right, that's good. They hid the token, so they hid it. I was scared for a bit, but they hid it. Which is good. They'll do the variables for me, but now I just have to now I would have to let's just view the logs and see what happens. It is recommended to go to discord.com. Oh, yeah, I see why it's not working. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. I know what to do. Um, First we're gonna have to pull this repository. So what we're gonna do is what we're gonna do is pull this. So what we're gonna do is go to code, and then we're gonna copy this, go to our terminal, and then we're gonna cd dot dot ls clear, and we're gonna put something like git clone command v. Then it's called Discord bot. So ls cd Discord bot ls clear code dot. Let's hope that there's no let's hope that there's no more there's no, what's that thing called? There's no environment variables that are exposed. Okay. So which one's okay, this is open. So this is the proc file. Alright. Main.py, this is the readme requirements.txt. There's other stuff that needs to be needed. So like the loadenv does not need to be needed because loadenv because it'll do the environment variables for us, so that's taken care of. What else do I need? I'm just thinking right now. Yeah, let me just look at the code. But let me Just give me a minute. cd dot dot ls clear cd cd the job string. Okay, code dot. I just don't want the that's exactly what I thought was gonna happen. I was showing the environment variable, which was bad. What we're gonna do is now, we just need to copy this code and post it. But we have to put another file. So for this one, we have to put get jobs. So what did I call it? Jobs.py. So jobs.py, and then we're just gonna copy one. Let me make sure that everything from the requirement. Okay, so the BS4 and all of these are needed too. So this is needed. I'm gonna have to put that in there, requirements.text. And then we have requests. Now we just have to go to jobs.py, copy this whole thing. So we're gonna have to copy this whole thing. And Command A, Command C, we're gonna call it jobs.py, and we're gonna post it right here. Command V. And then we want the bot run, so we want it to run. But instead of using os.environment.get, so what did they do? Okay, so they did this. That's what's different. So we're gonna use events. So client.event. We're gonna use this. Command C. We don't need the env file. So we're just gonna paste it into here. Command V. And then we're gonna have like client.run os.environment get token. Yeah, os.environment.get token. We don't need to do the load env, and let's see if that works. Let me look at the main.py. How did they do it? Oh, os.environment. So this has to work in my. I'm gonna have it work on my computer before uploading this.
Yep.
Because if I just don't want to upload it consistently, and then just set up for failure, because that's just bad. So Python 3 main.py. And actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm gonna have to upload it. Why did they call this .environment? Oh. So what was the... So let's see if this runs. So it would be something like raise key error from none. Okay, so that means they get it from their own. Okay, so I do have to commit this and upload this to the GitHub.
Hmm.
Wait, yes. So, oh, from import get. Wait, from import from. Okay, so from jobs import get jobs, and then we have the thing. Also import time, import datetime as DT, and then what else? I think I have all the libraries. So Python 3. We're just gonna commit. We're gonna do a commit and push. This is bad practice, but I'm gonna do this because this is like I'm only doing this project. If it was open source, it's a different story. But yeah, basically we just did this, and then we're just oh yeah, we gotta put a commit. Uh, adding the jobs and main files to the repo. That's good. So check, and it's push. So now what happened is after we did that, this should be different now. Okay, so it changed, and now that thing should update. Okay, so it crashed. It's 8:20 right now, so it crashed at 8:06. Okay, so the new one is on. I'm just trying to check if it's online. So we gotta view the logs. So this is like their terminal. So you would have to see what's going on in their terminal. Oh, so there's a few libraries we forgot to add. Okay, so there's another library. Uh, we have to install LXML. So, cause that's for the wait. Why did I do that? That is for the beautiful soup. So for beautiful the soup to work, you need LXML, cause that's where the data is posted. So we'll put LXML library, and then we just push it. Let's see if that works. All right, so now we made another production push. So we're building this. Uh, and we got to make sure that everything is working. And it's already showing you like everything that's going on right now. So it's
So
doing.
it didn't crash this time. It's going good.
No, it's not going. I mean, we don't know yet.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So basically, we just uploaded it. Now it's running onto a virtual machine, and we got to make sure everything is working.
So just to get an overview, you went to GitHub,
Mm-hmm.
downloaded their code,
Mm-hmm.
you transferred that through the terminal because I
Correct.
saw you put it into the Mac terminal, and it went. Where did it go after that?
The Mac terminal. What do you mean by? Can you
Um,
repeat that?
yeah. So you went to their GitHub for the Discord
Mm-hmm.
code, and then you put that into the Mac terminal,
Correct.
and so what does that do?
Oh
It
no, no,
goes in.
that was like nothing. That didn't work. That was bad.
Oh, okay, I
So
see.
that had nothing to do with it. Yeah, it didn't work. I thought it was gonna work, but so what I was trying to do was trying to check. So by the way, the Discord bot is online now, so it worked.
Oh, nice.
So the problem was that I thought I was gonna be able to put my token there, but it wasn't gonna work.
I see. Just trying to be as secure as possible, right?
Not secure, but see, like if I could test it from my own machine, it would be faster. That's why.
Yeah. And
Um,
what is this software called? The one you're on right now? Because I
this
know, no, the one you just moved from.
this one,
Uh, because Microsoft's like there, it's called like Visual Studio or something like that.
Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio, but Visual Studio Code.
Okay, gotcha. So you have two different of these open. This
Yes.
is one of them. So
Um,
what's the difference between both of them?
they're the same code, but this one is the one from the server,
Hmm.
and this one is the original code.
Oh, that's the one we worked on
Yes.
2 days ago.
Yes,
Okay,
that's the
gotcha.
one we worked on. And wait, let me make sure. Yeah, this is the one we worked on, and this is the one we're basically it's the same thing right now, but right now it's just like really we're just posting it or not. Right now we're getting an error saying that jobs is out of range. Now I don't know why we're getting that error. Because we were requesting something, but it's gonna work for every 3 days. So we're gonna have to update this again. We're not gonna wait another 3 days. I'm not doing that. Um, so it's saying the list is out of range. I'm wondering why we're getting it out of range. I don't know if it's the server or it's me. That's the thing. So I'm kind of confused. Um, so what I'm gonna do is some testing, and we're gonna test if it works. So we're gonna say something like, so we're gonna print get job. So Python 3 jobs.py, and let's see. So it does really return something. Um, so I don't know why I'm getting an error here. So Python 3, no, so print get jobs, and it works here as well. So I'm just wondering, why is it empty here? Get jobs I. So yeah. So I'm just curious, like, so what's so the error I'm getting right here is
Hmm.
list index is out of range, but that's not true. That's basically so what we're gonna do is actually instead of sending it, like, let's assume that there is nothing in this list. So we're gonna do this and await channel.send get jobs. That's it. Um, or we could do something like for I in range len of get jobs, and we'll just do the 3 days. And if we do like if I is greater than if is greater than 5, we break it. We can do that, so it'll be like bulletproof. Um, I think that would work. Even though if we uploaded it right now, it'll still print it. So we'll see what's going on. So test run. So we're gonna test run this. I like this. I'm happy that the bot is like so. One moment before I commit and push. Um, so I'm still happy about this because I'm gonna show you why. Um, let me get the Discord. So the bot right here is working right now. It's online. I don't have it on my computer. It's not online on my computer. It's online in a server. which is so amazing. The nerdy side of me loves this, by the way, because I'm not the one running it. It's just running it itself, and it's amazing. Like I don't have to rely on it too much. Obviously, when scale becomes an issue, then, but the server is pretty small, so I'm not worried too much about it.
Yeah, it already exists independently. It's
Yeah, so
like
yeah,
you set it
it's
off into the open world.
and now it's like, oh, I set off this, I'm good. Like it shouldn't be worried too much about it. So I'm just waiting for this to So it's doing this in Docker, so which I want to do a Docker project kind of, but that's gonna be for another stream. That would be for databases. I would host a database in Docker. Oh, so it did post. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Now it posted. It
Hmm.
just only posts one though. Okay. So okay, I see what happened. It's only posting one. So oh yeah, it only got one for some weird reason. Okay, so yeah, wait. All right, so let's look at the code. Oh, this has to be outside the for loop. Like this can't be inside the for loop. If it's inside, it's gonna wait every 3 days when it sends a job. That's gonna be so weird.
Hmm.
Um, for now, I'm just gonna leave it to data engineering jobs. Because there's another issue that comes up, but I don't know this issue. I don't know how to solve this issue. It's concurrent programming, concurrency. The problem with this is that so if I want to add other roles, I would have to so mean wait, what was it? So I'd have to so the bot would have to send it at a different time. Like if it was for a data science role or something else. So added I just don't know why it's sending it in a certain way that I don't like. Um
Hmm. You mean it's only sending one at a time, or is
Not
something
one at
else?
a time, but I'll show you. Um you see like I gotta go to the Discord actually. You see how it's like this?
Yep.
This is not good.
Oh, it's sending it differently. It
Yeah,
looks
it's sending
different.
it in a way that I don't like.
I see. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we could do is we're gonna have to fix that. So I would have to look at the code how I did it back then. So and then in our app.py, yes, we just wondering what else is being printed. One moment. Uh, so this is like a problem we have to solve, cause yeah. So it's one little indent. So oh wait, and it's not. Give me one moment.
Yep.
For some reason, it's not pushing. Let me just turn off my Wi-Fi. might have to restart Visual Studio Code. Okay. Do you still hear me?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay, good. Cause I switched my internet.
Well, there wasn't any pauses, so it worked
Oh
seamlessly.
no no no! It was for my commit, so my thing wasn't pushing.
Yeah.
So pushing GitHub changes, and then so we pushed that initializing, um, but it's sending in a way that I don't like it. I was wondering how is it sending it like that. Go to jobs.py. Let's get rid of this because I think this also becomes problematic. Oh, I think it's that posting as a string. Yeah, last time I had it as a string. Okay, so yeah, I see what the problem is. Let's just look at it from the because it just uploaded it. So now, so go on Discord. Yep, it's sending it though, which is good. But the problem is now it's sending it as a dictionary. We shouldn't be sending that as a dictionary.
Hmm.
So this is how we would do it. I remember we would have it in one line of a string. So it would be like so we'll say like job string equals, and then yeah, so it would be like this. Or but I don't like it that it's like this. It should be an F string. So it should be like something like this. So and then we'll have it in one string. I don't know what the and is for, but we'll see what that and does. Because I'm curious what that and that I mean that star does. So job update, and then we're just gonna push this, and then we're just gonna push, and then we're gonna keep it there, and then um, right here. 1 minute. Let me just all right. So the bot just went offline. Just want to make sure when it goes off online again. Yeah, I did it in the correct one. Okay, now the bot is online. Time is it? It's 8:37. Uh, wait. So I just sent this now. Then
In dictionary form, right?
yeah, in the dictionary form. Did this all happen? Am I being gaslit right now?
No, I'm seeing the same thing you're seeing.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm just like, oh, I hope it's not. I'm being.
or we're both being gaslit.
Being both being gaslit by that bot.
But this is like what software engineering is mostly troubleshooting, right?
Yeah,
Trying to make sure it works.
it's usually optimizing and troubleshooting. Yes, you are correct.
What percentage would you say that would be? Like 90%?
Uh, 80% uh troubleshooting and 20% optimizing. I think the senior engineers do most of the optimizing. The junior engineers do the troubleshooting
Hmm.
because they're more skilled. They have like so it's like they can debug really quickly.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So okay, I think I see what I did wrong. Um, or I don't. Uh, I'm just waiting for. First of all, to prevent for gaslighting prevention, purge.
What does that do?
It deletes the messages.
Ah,
To prevent me from being gaslit. Let's try getting rid of these stars. We will say something like title. Um, wait, I just want to see something. Uh, for I in get jobs print I. Let's see what happens when we do that. So clear Python 3 jobs.py. Okay, so and then for keys in I, let's see if that works. And it does work. Okay, so it has to be like this format. Um, this I don't like using I, so we'll say for jobs in get jobs, print jobs, and for key and value, and we'll just print the key value. Okay, that's good. All right, now I know what to do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do what we did exactly on the other side. We're gonna so it's inside of a list, and then we're gonna access the dictionary. That's what we're not doing. So we're on discord.bot.py, and in that string, we'll say something like so we'll say get jobs I title, and then we'll have something like company, and then location. Because the thing is, we already know we don't need to. Because the thing is, we could access it like that. We could statically type this. Clear Python 3 jobs.py, and then do this, and then we're gonna run this again. By the way, funny thing is I gotta do something like this for my job as well.
ah,
So
I didn't, I
yeah,
didn't,
yeah, for my
I didn't
job, I actually have to do something like this. I can't really talk too much about it because it's under an NDA. But for my job, we actually have I have to do something like that.
I I think you might have mentioned that before, but
Yeah.
yeah,
So for this is like my we planned my to do something like this.
make sure it comes out the same way
Yeah.
that you want. That,
This is
that
actually harder than what I do at my job, by the way.
oh well, that's good to know because this it seems like
We're doing a
it's
bunch of
quite
different
magical.
jobs. Let's just say that we're doing a bunch of different. We're doing data analysts, not data analysts. We're doing data. We're doing DevOps, which the server and everything. That's a DevOps job. Uh, we're doing software engineering too. We're um, engineering the bot, and we're doing backend. We're doing backend engineering. So we're doing a few roles right now. The reason why there are different roles is because each of these need to be optimized. That's why. Does that make sense?
Um, different roles
Like
in terms
so
of,
for DevOps, like for GitHub or like so hosting it on a server or Docker, that needs to be optimized. That needs to be optimized. For backend, the backend always needs to be optimized. So this code always has to be optimized. Needs to be optimized. The front end, it needs to look modern. If it's not modern, that is bad for your website because you want people visiting your website.
yeah, yeah, I can understand that.
So each role, there's always some type of improvement. Damn it! So it's posting it like that again. Oh, because I didn't return the string. Oh, I'm an idiot. See, if this was at a job, I would get fired instantly. Um, because this could cost a lot of money. So
Hmm.
you need to be a bit conservative. Like what they do is they make you do it in a test server, not in an actual server. They don't make you do it in a like in their because then that's expensive. That's a very expensive operation.
Yeah, because a live server, other people would be interacting with it.
Yes,
With that,
and then if you're still editing it and customers are still accessing your server, that's bad. Like
I see. Yeah,
let's say if you have customers and you have like let's say you're fixing Google, something you're optimizing some little thing in Google, and then you're constantly doing that, and then customers see it, and then the site slows down. That's bad. Customers would hate that. Like, what if Google runs like 20 seconds like slowly? I think people would get angry.
yeah,
Like
definitely.
every second matters. So I did it again. Finally, fucking finally. It looks better now. It's way better than before. But you saw how it sounded so fast, right?
Yeah.
Uh
So this
that
was this was because you need to call a string or something like that.
no, or for what I did for this to cause for this.
Mhm.
Yeah, I just have to call it as a string, not a dictionary. So do not call it as a data type, but as a dictionary. Call it as a string because that's actually how we see everything in the it's a lot of strings. We see it as strings.
I see.
So to slow this down, we do time dot sleep. We'll put 3 seconds. Yeah, 3 seconds for each post. Cause you this is gonna piss off Discord. So you don't want like Discord, and then you don't want the bot acting crazy. You don't want the bot going too fast.
I mean, like posting five at a single time.
Yeah, at a single time, that's actually very dangerous, cause
Huh.
that takes a toll on the server.
But it's only doing it every 3 days, right?
Yeah, but no, like so for each job that is being posted, uh
Hmm.
so for each job it was all being posted at the same time. So that's not good. That's actually very bad. It should be like so there should be a delay. If there's no delay, that's bad. This is one of the times where a delay is a good thing.
How many jobs are we posting? Just still 5 or
Yeah, at most 5.
okay.
And it would post every 3 days.
Hmm.
So it's gonna take a. So let me do a little purge 10. I like that emote. From that, it's like, yo, I got you. That like it shows like it feels relieving when you see that. When you see this little thing, it's like, yeah, I got you. I got you with the jobs.
Hmm.
Oh, so I hope it didn't crash. Oh no, this was like a. It's saying it's running, but it's not. So it's been removed. The bot's not online. That's the problem. Oh, because I didn't push it. Yeah, so now it's deploying. Okay, see now it's starting to post, but now it's 3 seconds. See,
Yeah, I see that.
every 3 seconds now.
So now it's working the way we want it to.
Yes, now it's working the way we want it to. But what happens is now the bot crashes. Not crashes, but it goes to sleep
Until the next
until the
third.
next 3 days.
Gotcha. But again, if it's only posting 5, what's the issue with posting them all at once?
So let's say I knock on your door.
Hmm.
Okay, so let's say I have deliveries for you, or not deliveries, because that's actually a good thing if you get all 5 at once. Um,
Maybe
let
like eating all 5 at once.
Yeah, so eating all 5. So let's say you got like 5 plates of foods. Eating all 5 at once is bad for you. That's actually very. You will probably vomit. Um,
Yeah.
that's actually a good analogy you used. You have to eat it like and take a break and then eat it. Taking a break, it's not easy eating. Actually, eating a lot is not easy. So you would have to take a break, then eat. Take a break, then eat. Because you can't just eat everything at once. Humans are not vacuums. So servers are not vacuums too. It cannot, because if you do too much, what's gonna happen is gonna slow down the server.
Yeah, I see now. That
And
makes.
Discord is very strict about that too, by the way. So they'll like slow down your bot or rate limit your bot.
Okay, that makes sense. I see
So
now.
what I have to learn is multi-threading or multi-concurrent. Because the thing is, that's like the world works concurrently. Like, let's say 2 people want to touch the bot, or 3 people. Like, so I guess the goal. this bot is to work concurrently rather than having it like because it's just like you wanted to handle those situations. And you see the bot just went offline. I would have to go to Railway and see how do I make this bot like forever. So it's not really set it and forget it, but the bot is running. It's just it's sleeping right now.
You mean like whenever somebody else wants to access those 5 jobs, it wouldn't send it again, or
It wouldn't until 3 days. So I would have to
so
check that until then. I should have put it for a little less than that. I could do it, but right now I wanna go into lead code. But I think the next goal is to do this concurrently. I wanna make this bot a more powerful bot. By the way, I don't want this to be just a bot that just posts jobs, but do more things than that. If that makes sense.
yeah.
So I think this is a good starting point for the bot. So now the bot is like now the bot is doing something rather than nothing. I'm happy about this. We got it working. We got the bot working, and now is doing what we wanted to. Is behaving the way we wanted to.
This one seemed a lot more complex than the previous one, but
I mean, the thing is, I guess what makes it complex is you have to get it from a GitHub repository, and you would have to push it. And that's gonna be like for me, it's harder for me to explain because this is not my field, so it's really hard to explain. But I would have to learn this more to be able to explain it better. So for me, this stream is really me going out of my comfort zone because I'm like, holy shit, am I gonna do this good? But
wow, that's
yeah,
awesome.
it's like when you're in this field, you're gonna always have to go out of your comfort zone. And I see like for me, like I had to like for this like the development stuff, and hosting it on a server. That's the outside of my comfort zone.
No, that's good.
So now I gotta solve problems, and basically I have to use this website called leetcode. Um, Basically we're solving problems on this website.
So this is similar to like interview questions you'd
Correct.
probably get from tech tech jobs.
Yes. These would be like interview questions. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna connect my iPad.
All right.
I'm gonna play some lo-fi in the meantime.
We are the dreamers of dreams.
If the good Lord had intended us to walk, he wouldn't have invented roller skates.
All right, I'm back. Okay, let's just make sure everything is good. All right, testing 1 to 3, testing 1 to 3. Mic check, mic check. All right, awesome, awesome. Let's just make sure the stream is still running. Testing 1 to 3, testing 1 to 3. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, all right. So now let me get my keyboard and oh, my Apple Pencil. Forgot about that. Testing 1 to 3, testing 1 to 3. Alrighty, perfect. Let's see if this is the right way. Yep, this is the right way. Alright. So let's do a easy lead code problem. For first, just a warm up. We're gonna do an easy one because I'm feeling a little lazy today, and I'm not really lazy. I just did a lot of work today. The server stuff was a lot of work, but the grind doesn't stop with me. No, the grind does not stop.
You dream in code, I think.
I wish. No, I don't.
Like people, whenever they speak in their dreams, they're speaking their language. You speak in code, I think.
I actually I hate that. Ironically, I hate it so much. I would never want to be that type of person.
I mean, I just saw you do this. It looked like magic to me. Like it's a different language.
So okay, so here's a piece of advice. It depends. Like, so, how do you? So you're a math major, right?
Yep.
How do you become good at math?
By doing it over and over again.
Yeah. So, what do you think I've been doing?
So I guess it would be like me trying to solve a hard calculus differential equation, and then somebody just not being brand new. Yeah, I can see that.
I mean, not that. I think differential equations is harder than what I do. I'm a math major too.
No, I don't even like this. There's a whole bunch of parts to this. Yeah,
So
it's like code has a larger vocabulary than math.
yeah, but the thing is, with coding, the vocabulary comes from math.
So there's a lot of similarities, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
I've learned more about coding from mathematics than computer science for some weird reason. I've always told that to everybody. Like, math has made me like understand coding better. It's a lot of like combinatorics and yeah, there's some other stuff, but look, how are you speaking the English language right now?
From memory.
Are you sure it's from memory? I mean, yeah, it is memory. You memorize, it's information that you gathered, and it's like a second hand effect. So you could say like hi, hello, like it's a second hand like nature. It's second nature for you.
Yeah.
How about you code until it becomes second nature? Now, I'm not saying code 10 hours a day, but like how, like you got your math degree, right?
Yeah.
How hard did you work for that math degree?
A lot of classes, a lot of tests. Yeah, it's
And
a good work.
so I always say like mathematics is harder than coding in my opinion. So, in my opinion, I think you would do a better job than me if you started coding. Like, if you started coding regularly, I think you would do better than me. And it's because the way mathematicians see like how they break down problems. If that makes sense. It's the way they break down problems. Like, it looks like this looks like probably like not garbage, but this looks like probably like another language to you. But if you've been doing it like consistently, like for me, like I kind of code every day. So I do code every day. I'll say that. I don't dream in code. I dream of other things, like me in a Bugatti and stuff. Just kidding. Um, but no, I code every day where it's just a normal thing for me. There was a time where I wasn't able to do this. Like for this, like back then, back in the day, me would also say the same thing to me, and this was not like, oh, 20 years ago or 30 years. This was like me 5 years ago. 5 years ago, I would have been like, how? And no, you don't need 5 years. Uh, Ironically, 1 year ago, I don't know as much as I know right now. It's just every
Hmm.
day it's been a learning experience for me.
Yeah, I can see that, especially since you said you're going out of your comfort zone to try to do these other things. So
Yeah,
yeah,
so a lot of it is me going out of my comfort zone. Like I feel like this is the way I see it. Like I want to beat the I want to beat technology in a way. Like I want to beat like I don't want to be like oh like still knowing like you know how someone knows React? No, not React. Okay, so someone already like in my algebra class I want to know calculus already.
I see. Yeah,
Which that's actually crazy, but that's how I see it. Like not calculus, pre-calculus. I know pre-calculus while I'm taking algebra. Like I already know pre-calculus. And that's like yeah, I want to be ahead of the curve.
I see what you mean. Yeah,
But you got to also like there's so many things like thing is it's hard to stay consistent into this. Like you got to like do it. Like you got to have a passion for it. Like so for me I love this. I've been doing this since I was 11. So when I was really young. But just the past few years I became better at what I was doing. Like way back then I did not know anything. I didn't take a class for this. I just was
what
exposed to this.
what was the catalyst? What made you like? All right, I want to do. I really want to focus on this seriously.
It was because of simping. I was simping.
Ah, so I need to go through that process now.
Yeah. So there was this girl. She knew C plus plus. She was
Hmm.
a she was definitely a better coder than me. Um, we worked together and we had an arms race. So basically, who knew more technology than the other? And we became so good because we were like consistently doing really difficult projects. We were building banking apps. We were building software. We were building a lot of shit. And it became to the point like we knew like really complicated tools because we were always going out of our comfort zone.
Damn, I need that inspiration, dude.
I mean, hopefully you coming into the stream inspires you to like I want you to be better than me. I don't want you to be like, oh, like look at this. He's too I want you to aspire to be better than me. That's how I see it. Don't like and I don't take offense. I actually like it cuz that actually shows passion.
Can't wait to get started. Lead code every day.
Lead code, I mean, not yeah, every day, but everyone told me like if a mathematician takes lead code, they would get so bored from it. I mean, if you took a combinatorics class,
Hmm.
if you took, you know about combinatorics, right? I don't. I'm not saying like the whole subject, but have you
Somewhere,
heard
yeah.
about? Okay, so a lot of it is just combinatorics. A lot of it is probability. But probability is not mathematics. It's statistic. It's statistics. Um, what else? Number theory. A lot of Boolean algebra. Bits. You know anything about bits?
It operates in zero one and zeros.
Yeah, and
Is
like
that it?
yeah, and you have to do algebra for that. A lot of it becomes like true and false. You know about logic, right?
Oh yeah.
And have you ever done induction proof?
Or is that the one where I equals one and
Yeah,
k plus one?
k
Yep.
plus one. Yep. So there's induction proof actually helps a lot, and that's why I say like this is why I became a math major. This is actually another catalyst. I was like, holy shit! Like knowing math makes me understand how coding works. It makes me a better coder in a way.
Yeah, it's
Like
inspiring.
I always say like the ironically like who built this shit? Mostly were mathematicians, not computer scientists, but mathematicians. So I'm just
Have you
gonna
seen
leave.
the
Huh?
Matrix? Have you seen the Matrix?
Oh, I know I
that,
haven't.
it's that guy in the white suit.
Oh god.
I'm just playing.
But it's really mathematicians because mathematicians like usually have to prove everything, and that's the thing with computers. You kind of have to prove like this. Like you see this right here. This is kind of like a proof. Like oh, like for
Are you
this.
showing your Are you showing your iPad screen? Because it's showing your desktop
Yeah, I am
thing.
showing my desktop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm highlighting it. Are you looking at my stream? Oh wait, now I see why. I'm like, oh, no wonder. If you're in stream with me, you gotta see the screen.
All right, I'm on it.
So you see this, right?
Yep.
In a way, like if you think about it, this is kind of like proving something. So for I and S, if I is not in the table, so the dictionary, we just say like we're just basically like proving it, in a way.
Yeah, I can see how that works.
Yeah, like it's like, and this is English by the way. This is Python. Well, Python English. Yeah, this is just in Python. Hence why it's like, oh yeah, like Python's an easy language to learn. That's why. If we did a language like C++, then that's a different story. But we're gonna do this in Python because for the viewers, they can have an easier time to learn. And I don't know. I'm not. I'm not. I just don't feel like doing it. I think I could do it in C++, but I don't feel like doing it in C++ because it would take me more time. Uh,
Yeah, I'm with you there. Let's do in Python.
yeah. So we're gonna do the anagram question, but should I do it here or should I do it on my? I not yet. One moment. Give me 1 second. Holy shit! My screen
So
looks. My screen became recursion. It's all recursion.
oh, I thought it was a transition.
No, it was a recursion. Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god! That's horrible. Okay, no, no, no. Yeah, that was all recursion, by the way. Okay, good. Okay, so now I can see my screen. All right. Now I have to share that on Discord. So, where's the screen? This is screen 1. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
So can you see this?
Yep. I see your desktop and the iPad that you just shifted from. I'm assuming that's the iPad.
That's not the iPad. That's the OBS.
Oh, okay, yeah. I can see them both.
So basically, we're just gonna. So basically, we're trying to find a valid anagram. So we're given two strings, and we're given S and T. So
Can you zoom a little bit more just so I can see the letters a bit better? There you go. That works.
So we're given two strings, S and T. Return true if T is an anagram and S if it's otherwise. So S is an anagram. So if we reverse this, it should be the same thing. Wait, what? Oh, okay. So if both of the words have the same words, like so, they have to both have all the same words in the. If that makes sense, they both have to have all the same words, same letters.
Same letters, yeah.
Yeah. So
Well,
basically, no. Continue. What were you gonna say?
so the first one wouldn't be true
No, this would be
because
true because they both have the same. It's because
oh
it's a longer word. That's why.
oh
Um.
yeah.
So I would have to show an example.
No, I understand it.
No, I have to show it for the viewer. I don't care about you. I'm sorry, not like that, but I mean for the viewer.
Yeah, I see.
Because the viewer wants to know as well. So, moment, might need a third screen for this. So if we want to look at the iPad, so we did something like So okay, that's a bit too high. So let's say so we have S equals so we're gonna use a word called I want to use a good A B C and T equals CBA. This is an anagram. This is true. And the reason why this is an anagram, because both of these have the same words. Both of these have the same letters. Does that make sense?
That is so easy. Why would you understand this?
Not everyone's a math major like you, bro. Not everyone's logical like you, bro. Bro, this is going on my TikTok, by the way, just because you said that. Yeah, you're like, oh, why does anybody want to? Like, bro, obviously not a lot of people are math majors or logical people, so you gotta know. Oh my god, bro. And then you were just giving me a brief story, like, oh hey, like, yo, how do you know this? Like, people would say the same shit to you, by the way. First of all, people will definitely say the same shit. They're like, oh, like, how the fuck do you know all this math? And then you're gonna be like, oh, I probably went to college or something like that, right? There's some people who don't understand this. But this is a warm-up problem too, by the way. This isn't even I have a feeling most of these streams, like me doing leetcode, if you're here, you're gonna be like, oh shit, why the fuck, why are you doing this? This is so easy. I have a feeling that's gonna happen. No, I've been told, like, if a mathematician... No, this is what I've been told. And I'm not saying it's you, but a lot of mathematicians, like, when they see leetcode, they're like, what the fuck is this? This is so easy. It's like, they don't even need to grind. They're like, I did this in fucking math. I did this in my proofs class. I know this. So, if we had, like, another... let's use yellow. Sati. So we'll find another anagram. So race, car, and we got car, race. So this is also anagram. So we can put this into a dictionary. We can put both of these into a dictionary and compare them. So if we had something like A, so like for ABC, this is gonna be pretty quick too. And CBA, there's only one A, one B, and one C. We're just gonna count them. 1, 1, 1. Or so yeah, if the dictionaries are equal to each other, so if they are both the same, that makes it an anagram. But see, this is a string problem, and I don't want to use a dictionary because that's a hash table problem. We're gonna have to use another way. So another thing with strings you can do is you can sort strings. So each character is a number. So if each character is a number, so let's say R is I don't know the numbers that represented, but each character represents a number in the ASCII table. So if we sort them, they'll be the same because we're sorting them. So if we had something like so we're gonna say like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 1. We just sort this, and now oh wait, no, not this one. So if we sort it, they're exactly the same. Yeah, I heard it. It made my ears bleed. No, 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 no. It's okay. Don't worry. I don't care about your. I don't mind. I just heard it when you said it. Ironically, the dog was waiting for you to say it. Yeah, no, I didn't. I only heard it as soon as you said it. Like, then I heard it. Okay, so we'll go back to the question. So, since we're doing the string way, so we're gonna get rid of this. We could do something like s dot sort. Wait, can we do that? No, I don't think we could do that in Python. We could put s dot split. So s equals s dot split. So which it'll turn. So what we did was I think if I did it right, what we did was we turned it into a list. So now it becomes, so this race car, no, let's use ABC because that's easier to write. So ABC now becomes A. That looks like a double A. And double B. And then C. And now we just sort that. We just sort it inside the list. Does that make sense? Okay. So if we do that, we could do T equals T dot split, and then we could just do, so we just have to compare the sorted version of this. So we just say S sorted S equals sorted T, and we want to see if that works. So it works for case 2, but not case 1.
Actually, it's showing your OBS.
Oh, thank you. So sorted S equals sorted T. What happened? Your dog just beat you up?
Oh no! I set my laptop down.
Oh, I thought your dog was like you got jumped by your dogs. Like, don't ever say. You said I was loud.
Nah, everything's all right.
Blink twice if you're not.
Wait, you can see me?
No, I can't.
Were you there for a second?
No, I don't have that hacking power. I'm not a hacker. Or we could do let's see if we could do this. Comment this out. I would compare it, but this is not a hash table video. Okay, so we'll just print the. It's just using it in another solution makes it harder. So we'll say s dot sort and t dot sort. Print ts. Compare that. Oh yeah, because t dot and then print ts. Oh, because it doesn't even sort it. Oh, I see now. Okay, because it's not split. Let's see if that works. Or we could say s equals list s and t equals list s, list t. Which is also like a weird way of doing this.
So it worked.
It did not work because it's for some weird reason it's not. I'm just wondering why. Because it has the same elements. Or you could do this for I in range. So let's not turn them into lists again. I think so we'll do this one line print s sorted s. Let's see what happens when we do that. Equals equals sorted t. So it gives out it's supposed to be true. So yeah, return. Oh look, a one-line solution. That's what everyone loves.
That's optimization, right?
No, that isn't an op. Cause I would say it, but the thing is, it's this is n log n. Cause it's using quick sort or no in-sort, in-person sort. What in-sort? I would have to look into that, but no, this is not. Just because this has less code doesn't mean it's optimized. It works. It's just not optimized because it's using a sorting method that would that just makes it less like the other way that I had it was the optimized method. This is just like, oh, I just want to write it in one line. This is if I want to write less code. But each function does something. That's why. All right, so let's do another one. Back to leetcode. String. I might have to do this again, or I might have to come back for this one because there are problems that I want to do but I can't because it'll take me like 3 hours. So I might have to end stream soon. Yeah, and it's already 9:41 too. Shit. I didn't.
Yeah, that's
I didn't prepare for this. That's why. Usually, like to be good at leetcode, you have to do leetcode every day. I didn't do leetcode every day. So I'd have to practice on my leetcode. I'm gonna do an interview tomorrow at 8 p.m.
ah like
So
a real interview.
I wish, but no, it's gonna be a mock interview on my stream.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so it's gonna be another DGGer coming in, interviewing me. I'm gonna make his life a living hell.
He's gonna be interviewing you, so he's gonna ask you questions and you're gonna
Yeah.
answer them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that'd be cool to watch.
Yeah, so
I wanna,
it's a grad CS student.
yeah, I think I can learn from that.
Yeah, so he's probably gonna interview me. My job is to make people's life a living hell. So I'm gonna make his life a living hell. I'm gonna be the worst interviewee ever.
I mean, I can do that too. Just not answer any questions.
No. I like cause drama because that's what people like, drama.
I see. I'll tune in.
Yeah, so it's gonna be the most toxic one. It's gonna be tomorrow at 8 p.m. All right, so I'm gonna let go of this because I didn't prepare for this. I'm happy though because we got the bot to run online. I'm gonna post a video on YouTube. I just need to edit that video, and then put some other things to put some tutorials on like how to make a Discord bot really quickly and like how to put a token in, so you know what to do, like when you're interested in making a Discord bot. So I think this is pretty good. I made a lot of content. Um, I just now need to post that content onto YouTube. And thank you, Philosophy, for coming with me. This motivates me to come to stream. So you're technically holding me accountable, which I fucking love. I appreciate that. So you're here making me like actually doing good things right now. So I really appreciate what you're doing, and I appreciate your time.
By the way, it's philosopher.
Philosopher, I'm gonna call you
Yeah.
Philosophy.
Ah, darn it.
Okay, Philosopher. I'll call you Philosopher. I'm sorry, it's
Thanks.
just Philosophy. No, yeah, I'll call you Philosopher. Philosopher. Like if I wanna say it
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Philosopher.
Yeah, get it right.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I like that. Oh, I love the spiciness. That's content right there. Fuck you. Appreciate your time. Appreciate your valuable time. Hopefully you learned something. Because if you didn't, I'm going to find you. Well, yeah.
No, this is really helpful. All kidding aside.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate it. And thank you because usually I'm very lazy on streams, but now like I'm doing more work on stream, so it's kind of because someone's in stream with me, so it's like I don't know why, but now I'm more on edge, so which is a good thing.
Glad to help, dude.
Thank you. I appreciate it. So have a good night.
Have
I'll
a
be
good
here
one.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.